start off with some warm-up exercises and stretching. First up, we have lunges, and these will help stretch out your entire legs. Now let's switch legs. Good job, guys! We finished the exercise. The second warm-up exercise is side reach. Stand with your feet so that they are about a foot apart, and first lean over to the left side. Now, lean over to the right side.
I could talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why.
Another exercise down. Next up, we have shoulder presses. So you're going to squat all the way down so that your knees make a right angle, and you're going to lean first to the left side and then to the right side, and this will help stretch and warm up your shoulders. Now we can switch sides. Ten more seconds, guys. Keep up the good work. Next, we have toe touch. So you're going to sit on the ground with both legs in front of you, and you're going to use your hands to reach to your toes as far as you can, and this will help stretch out your back. We're almost there, don't give up. For the final warm-up exercise, we have windmill. So you're going to stand in a T position with your feet about half a foot apart, and first you're going to use your left hand to reach to your right foot, and then you're going to return to the T position, and then you can use your right hand to reach to your left foot, and then return to the T position again and repeat. finally finished this exercise. Good job, guys, we finished! Please let me know in the comments below if there are any workouts that you would like to see and how I can improve my workouts for you in the future. Thank you for watching until the end of my workout, and please stay safe and stay healthy. There will be more workouts to come.